Today's big task, digging up and moving that giant Forsythia from its current location to over there in the corner of my neighbor's yard, because I really have serious separation anxiety. I don't want to just throw this great shrub away. So I will give it a new life there, where it will still be seen in all its glory, and it won't shade anything or be in the way. So that's the plan. Quite some hard work to go. Wish me luck. I should mention as well as, of course, that this is probably the absolute worst time possible during the whole year to move this shrub. And the reason why I'm doing it now anyway, fingers crossed, is that I'm installing a greenhouse. So no mercy. Again, wish me luck. Notice any difference? I've expanded the beds within stone borders, and I've moved most of the plants from around the new greenhouse to those beds, so hopefully they survive. And now it's finally time to get stuck in with the actual Forsythia. That was quite some work. And now the next problem, to move it. I'll tie a rope around the root end and see if I can budge it. If I can, I will demolish the espalier I made for the roses over there, and get help from my two boys and see if we three can drag it through there. Exciting times. I can't budget. Now I'll just have to cut all the branches a couple of feet from the root ball. I'm not sure it will survive. I'm not sure how long it will take for it to recover, if it does. And I'm not even sure I will be able to move it even when after I've cut the branches, because this was heavy. Okay, that's the price for a new greenhouse, I guess. Take lunch and have a breather here in my wonderful front side. It's still chilly in the air. These are the last days and nights with clear skies and low temperatures, but 3 days, then summer's here. So still in the sun, it's warm, so I will sit down and have coffee.
Jävla köksbiträde här. Gardening.
Thank you. So after having had some lunch, I've come to the conclusion that I'll just have to take off the branches. Let's see what happens. As predicted, I still can't budget. Maybe with the help of some friends it should be possible. I think that it weighs about somewhere above 100 kilos or 200 pounds. I think me and the boys should be able to move it. I mean, we're not going far. It's like 5 or 10 meters yards. Shame about all this wonderful bloom. Let's see if it recovers. I think it will, but still. Okay, I'll keep you posted. I found a couple of big rocks entangled in the roots, so that put a load off, but still I can't budget. Now I've hosed down with as much force, water pressure as I could to get rid of the soil, but I still can't budget. Maybe when it's dried out, maybe with the help of my boys, but not today. To be continued.